Yo, what is up everybody? It's your man Gaber. We're about to drop some serious travel knowledge bombs in this video. I'm talking game-changing travel hacks for 2024 that'll have you feeling like a seasoned globetrotter. Before we jump in, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any future travel tips. We're talking maximizing your adventures, saving some serious cash, and making memories that'll last a lifetime. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting your adventure, trust me, these hacks are pure gold. So grab your passport, buckle up, and get ready to explore the world like a pro. Alright, first things first, packing. We've all been there, staring at an overflowing suitcase, wondering how we're gonna make it all fit. But fear not, my friends, packing light is an art form, and I'm here to make you a master. Enter packing cubes. These bad boys are about to change your travel game forever. They compress your clothes, keep everything organized, and make living out of a suitcase a breeze. Roll your clothes instead of folding them. Trust me, it saves space and minimizes wrinkles. Plus, you can see everything you've packed at a glance. No more digging through a messy suitcase. And here's a pro tip: pack versatile clothing items that you can mix and match to create multiple outfits. A couple of basic tees, a pair of jeans, a nice shirt, and a versatile jacket can take you a long way. Remember, less is more when it comes to packing. Do you really need that extra pair of shoes? Probably not. Pack smart, travel light, and thank me later. Listen up, people, because this is where technology becomes your ultimate travel companion. We're talking about travel apps that'll have you booking flights like a pro, finding hidden gems, and navigating new cities like a local. First up, Google Flights. This is your secret weapon for scoring the best deals on airfare. Set your travel dates, turn on price tracking, and let Google do the heavy lifting. Boom! Cheap flights. Here you come. Next, we've got Airbnb. Ditch the overpriced hotels and immerse yourself in local culture with unique and affordable accommodations. Apartments, villas, tree houses, you name it, Airbnb has it. And for navigating those unfamiliar streets like a boss, you need Maps.me. Download maps for offline use and you'll never be lost in translation again. Plus, it's a lifesaver for finding hidden cafes, restaurants, and attractions. These apps are your travel sidekicks, always there to make your journey smoother, cheaper, and more enjoyable. So embrace the power of technology and let these apps elevate your travel game. Alright, let's talk about staying connected in our hyper-connected world. Because let's face it, nobody wants to be that person desperately searching for free Wi-Fi while traveling. First things first, ditch your expensive roaming charges and grab yourself an international SIM card. They're cheap, easy to use, and give you the freedom to stay connected without breaking the bank. Another option is a portable Wi-Fi device. These little gadgets are a lifesaver, especially if you're traveling with multiple devices or need a reliable internet connection on the go. And here's a pro tip: download Google Maps for offline use. That way, you can navigate new cities and find your way around even without an internet connection. Trust me, it's a game changer. Staying connected while traveling doesn't have to be a hassle or a drain on your wallet. So choose the option that works best for you and stay connected to the world while exploring it. Chapter 4. Travel Insurance, your safety net. Okay folks, let's get real for a second. Unexpected events can happen while traveling, from lost luggage to medical emergencies. That's where travel insurance swoops in to save the day. Think of it as your safety net, your peace of mind. It protects you financially in case of unexpected events that could derail your trip and leave you with a hefty bill. Travel insurance typically covers medical expenses, lost or stolen luggage, trip cancellations, and delays. It's a small price to pay for peace of mind and financial protection when you need it most. Don't leave home without it. Seriously, I can't stress this enough. Get yourself some travel insurance and travel with confidence knowing that you're covered. Chapter 5. Ditch the tourist traps, embrace local experiences. Let's talk about the heart and soul of travel: experiencing new cultures and creating unforgettable memories. That doesn't happen by following hordes of tourists to overpriced attractions. Get off the beaten path, explore local neighborhoods, and discover hidden gems. Talk to locals, ask for recommendations, and let serendipity guide you. Seek out local restaurants and try authentic cuisine. Food connects you with a culture and you'll be amazed by the flavors. Attend local events, festivals, or markets to feel the local culture. These experiences will stay with you long after you've returned home. Travel is about immersing yourself in new cultures and creating stories you'll cherish forever. Alright, let's talk money, because nobody wants to get hit with hidden fees and bad exchange rates when traveling. Outsmart the system with these currency exchange hacks. First things first, avoid exchanging money at airports and hotels. They usually have the worst exchange rates and charge hefty fees. Instead, look for reputable currency exchange bureaus in the city center. Another option is to use your debit card at ATMs abroad. This usually gets you a better exchange rate than exchanging cash. Just make sure to check with your bank about foreign transaction fees. And here's a pro tip. Use a credit card that doesn't charge foreign transaction fees. This can save you a significant amount of money, especially if you're making a lot of purchases abroad. Remember, a little research and planning can go a long way when it comes to currency exchange. So do your homework, outsmart the system, and keep more money in your pocket for adventures. Alright, let's talk about safety. Because while traveling is all about adventure and exploration, it's important to stay aware of your surroundings and take precautions to protect yourself and your belongings. First things first, keep your valuables safe. Don't flash large amounts of cash, and keep your passport, credit cards, and other important documents in a secure place. Be mindful of your surroundings, especially in crowded areas or tourist hotspots. Pickpocketing can happen anywhere, so stay alert and keep your belongings close. It's always a good idea to share your itinerary with someone back home and check in with them regularly. That way, someone knows your whereabouts and can raise the alarm if something goes wrong. Trust your instincts. If a situation or a person makes you feel uncomfortable, remove yourself from the situation immediately. Your safety is paramount. Remember, a little awareness and common sense can go a long way in ensuring a safe and enjoyable trip. So, stay informed, stay alert, and trust your gut. Let's talk about maximizing your travel experiences and reaping those sweet rewards. Travel loyalty programs are the key. Join airline, hotel, and credit card programs to unlock perks like free flights, hotel stays, and lounge access. Level up your travel game and get rewarded. Accumulate points with every trip and redeem them for freebies and upgrades. It's like getting paid to travel. Enjoy perks like priority boarding, free bags, and late checkout. Feel like a VIP every step of the way. Choose programs that match your travel style. Some programs let you transfer points between airlines and hotels. Loyalty pays off, especially in travel. Sign up, start earning, and unlock travel perks. There you have it, folks, my top travel hacks for 2024. From packing smart to staying safe and scoring amazing deals, these tips will have you traveling like a pro in no time. If you found these hacks helpful, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel tips, adventures, and inspiration. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any future videos. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep those travel adventures coming. Safe travels, everyone. Oh, and a big shout out to the amazing sound effects team for bringing this video to life. You guys rock!